So,
Right.
so anyway.
You know what would happen if I had that kind of hair, the same type of hair you had? I would be Apache Indian.
Multiple computers, you know?
Multiple computers simultaneously if I want to do...
Yes. What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. And in the event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
For music, I may also have like a computer set up just to do lectures and presentation and all.
And I know you do consultations, you know?
Yeah, because I mean...
Tell me about that, because, you know, if you were going to consult me, what would you...
Use more than most.
And by the way, they have moisturizer with sunscreen.
Yeah, but that moisturizer was...
I had no idea. Not since Anthony Michael.
Can you tell I've never done it?
A little poker. I know you're not into gambling, Doc.
Ambiguity is not vague. Vague is not ambiguity.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, totally, Vancouver.
Cool. How you doing, Kevin? How's it going, man?
Hey, I'm all right.
in New Mexico on the San Cristobal Ranch.
And how water emerges.
What was that?
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.